Hello everyone, I am Kausar Sarveshwara. This is my submission for the University Course Catalog MCP server. I'll start by spinning up the application using the Docker Compose. As you can see, the container builds me. As you can see, the container builds maps to port number 8080, and the database seeding script automatically runs to populate an SQLite database. The application is started successfully. Database already seeded. The health also checked 200 OK. To confirm, I am checking by externally running the curl command. It's written the status is equal to OK. We can verify the server is healthy and running by pinging the health endpoint by curl command. Now I'm switching to the server.py. Looking at the architecture, I utilized the Python with FastAPI for the SSC transport to ensure the script data contracts. All tool inputs are validated using Pydantic schemas, which are automatically exposed to LLM. For the prerequisite graph requirement, I implemented NetworkX. NetworkX to precursively traverse the SQLAlchemy course model, computing the full multi-level dependency tree and returning it as a structured nodes and edges JSON object. Now I'm running the and MCP inspector by using the Anthropic model. It's directly opening the MCP inspector. Now I'll demonstrate the server's functionality live using Anthropic MCP inspector. Now I'll connect the localhost server. Now I'm clicking the list resources. First fetching the then we get the course descriptions in department directory. Now I'll checking the course descriptions. First fetching the course descriptions resources correctly returns a dynamically generated formatted strings of all courses. In the seeded database. Now I'm going switching to the tools and listing the tools. Testing our tools, the search courses tool correctly queries the database and returns a JSON array of query. I am giving the query as physics and I running the tool. It's a success. Testing our tool, the search courses correctly queries the database and returns a JSON array of matching courses. Again I'm giving like physics and running a tool. It returns the all courses related to physics, quantum physics, physics 2, physics 1. I'm switching to get prerequisites. I'm giving the invalid code. If I give the invalid code, it returns as a error, course not found error. Now I'm checking the get prerequisite graph with CS301 course code CS301. I'm running the tool, it's giving the success and giving the nodes IDs, edges and all graph. Executing the graph tool on 3S301 successfully returns the multi-level prerequisite JSON structure mapping out the upstream path to foundational courses. Now switching to the prompts, I am listing the prompts. Course comparison template. I am comparing the CS 101 and Math 101. I am clicking the template for comparing two prompts. Final our prompt template successfully accepts the dynamic arguments and generates the instructional prompt for the LLM. So it's giving the method for params and course comparison. Now I'm switching to the IDE. These are the requests we have sent in the MCP inspector. All tools, resources, and templates operating according to the MCP specification. The application is fully containerized and test notes clearly. And thank you for reviewing my project. Thank you.